Look at the coils. Look at the coils of this hair. And it's actually glueless wig. Glueless wig. Hello lovelies, and welcome back again to the channel. It's Momandprettyimisi here again, and in today's video I am gonna be installing this hair. Love me, love me, love me. All right, this hair is straight out of the box. This hair is bouncy. You can't wait to see what this hair looks like. So this hair is Love Me Hair PartingMax Glueless wig. The hair is bouncy and voluminous. All right, so let's see what this hair actually looks like. This is everything in the box. The hair clips, or whatever you call it. It has a styling brush here. It's cut for you, and of course it has its own wig right here. That its own HD wig cap. Actually the hair is HD lace. So this is the hair right here. You could see this hair is coily, bouncy. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this bouncy 7x6 closure wig. This is 20 inches and it is 180% density. The hair has been pre-cut, which means that the hairline has been trimmed to a desired shape that just fits on the head. This hair has been pre-bleached, which means that the knots on the lace have been pre-lightened to make them less visible. So you could see this, and it is also pre-plucked, and which means that the individual hairlines have been manually removed to make it look natural. And it has this ear fit shape adjustable straps. This is the anti-slip silicone band that makes it firm on your head and without it moving around. See the breathable design in here, and here is the C PartingMax right here. You see how that went from here like this all the way to the front. So this is the C PartingMax we're talking about here. Look at this hair. It's cute. It's bouncy. All right, let's go ahead to install this hair. First, I'm gonna be making my hair. This is my natural hair. You all know I am a DIY hairstylist. I style my own hair by myself. So first, I'm just gonna be parting my hair and then making the base. I parted my hair into 2 equal halves, and I'm gonna be braiding each half. So this is the snap that came with Love Me package. I'm gonna move these ends, hold on to that one, and then next I'm gonna part this half into 2 like this, all the way to the back. Right here. All right, next I'm gonna braid this one right here. Next I'm gonna try to braid it well braided. All right, everyone, this is what it looks like. This is my hair all braided up. All right, everyone, I'm gonna go ahead to apply this lace tint mousse. Brush it around. I'm gonna allow it dry up before putting it on my head. You can decide to use with or without the wig cap. I think I'm gonna use the wig cap. Look at this, so transparent. I'm gonna move it back a little because I don't want it showing on the wig line. That was much faster than I thought. I mean, we still have this lace showing here. So this is melting spray firm hold. I'm just gonna apply this lace melt mousse. This is from Elegance. Also got this on Amazon. So very affordable. I'm just gonna apply a little of this one. So I'm gonna apply this using this. I'm gonna put this band to hold it in place. And then next I'm gonna apply my hair wax. So I'm gonna just apply the hair wax along the C parting and also on the other part, just like I'm doing here in the video here, just to slick it down. And then I'm gonna use my hot comb to slick it out. That's it. I think I'm gonna leave it this way. Lovelies. Look at this. You can also do center parting or side part, whichever one. So I think I'm gonna leave it this way. This is actually so cute. You don't have to do so much with this hair because it looks absolutely gorgeous just on its own. I'm gonna take my makeup brush and just blend this here, blend it. And that's it, everyone. We're done installing this hair, everyone. Look at this hair. This hair is cute and bouncy. Honestly, the hair is bouncy. The hair is gorgeous. The hair is cute. I mean, this is, oh my goodness, this is all shade of beauty and elegance, making me look like lovely lady. Look at the coils, everyone. This hair is awesome. Glueless wig. Look at that. I've left the link of this product on the description of this video. You can go ahead and grab one for yourself. This is cute, honestly. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.